In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use BeautifulSoup, Python to scrape data and retrieve it back. Let's get started. Let's use Google Colab. It's a really cool Python environment. If you're familiar with Jupyter Notebook, it's very similar to that. Click on New Notebook. Click on Connect. Okay. First, you will want to import request from import BeautifulSoup. After you import your BeautifulSoup, you're going to want to create a URL, and the URL that you're going to want to use is from here. Paste. Now we will want to create a response. That response will be get URL. Soup will be the next variable we need to create. That'll work with our response text. That will turn into text, readable text. Finally, we'll just write print soup just to make sure this is working. Oh, alright, here's the error. This is supposed to be request. That's why we're importing request. Alright, test now. Okay, so it's just a bunch of data, but essentially we're just making sure that we have a response from the URL. So what's cool is in Python you can use these comments and just comment this out. Now price, we're going to create a price variable equal to soup.find all. In this, it's going to be in a div. We'll look on here to find what this is. And so if you move up and down this, you'll see that it moves. And really what we want is this right here. So just click on there. I mean, really you can hit Control C, copy. Okay. Now that we have the class, let's enclose it in a variable. Or in an object, sorry. In order for it not to have an error, we need to enclose it into a list, at least label a list number, or we'll run an error. And find, and let's go find, I'll show you what to use next to find the price. Dot text, and then let's return price, or try print price. Let's try this. Sorry. Oh, my fault. Oh, this is there. I don't know why I have this there. It's alright. Let's try this now. Cool. Okay, so now I found the price for the text. It's here. Let me do this. Let me see if I can expand on this a little bit more. Okay, so if you don't tag it with a text, you have all this data right here, and you know it's not very pretty to read for the eyes. So really, all we're interested in is the text. And see, it just comes out with text. This is really just finding the close price. But the cool thing is, what we can do is we can actually create this into a function. And if we do it real quick, just to end this, we can define a price tracker. And we can tabulate this over and return price and print current price plus price tracker. And this should be able to print us our final price, current price. And so you can do many things with this now. I mean, if you wanted to put this function on different things, you could do whatever. It's just a little simple tutorial on showing you how to use BeautifulSoup.